we will guide you through how to edit font in PDFgear. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to your computer desktop. Hover your cursor over the PDFgear shortcut and double-click it to launch the program. Direct your eyes to the main menu screen and click the Open File button option to begin opening the document you want to edit. A File Explorer window prompt will pop up on your screen immediately after selecting the button. Navigate through your computer folders to find your PDF document. Select the correct file and click Open to load it into PDFgear. Your document will open up, so take a look at the ribbon menu options displayed across the top of the application window. Navigate to the top main tab bar and click once on the Edit tab option to access the available editing features. Look through the toolbar panel below it and locate the Edit Text button icon. Click the Edit Text button once with your left mouse button to enable text editing mode so you can modify the appearance of the existing text. Click and drag your cursor over the specific text you want to format until it is fully highlighted. Click on the Font Family drop-down menu box and select your desired new font style from the available list. Next, press the Font Size box to open the available size options. In the drop-down menu, press your desired number to apply a different font size to the highlighted text. Click the color circle picker located right next to the font size option to open the available color palette. In the color palette, choose your desired color so the selected text immediately changes to the new shade. Press Exit Editing to finish up and leave text editing mode. Look back at your page content to see the total visual difference in your newly formatted font and confirm that the updated style, size, and color appear as intended throughout the selected text.